Hi, everybody. Kathryn and Michelle here, energized and excited to share some information about season 2 of HCD Vidcast with an official rename of, drumroll please, HCD Mindset. Yep. Our first season focused a lot on the approaches used in applied consumer neuroscience, as well as some discussions on ways to make yourself a much more informed explorer. By reviewing pros and cons of different tools or outputs, we were able to really ground ourselves in the mechanisms that help us to analyze relationships between people and different stimuli, such as packaging or products or ads, anything you can really think of.
Yep, so be sure to strap yourselves in and get comfortable and make sure to subscribe because in our second season, we are really hoping to further explore human behavior by inviting and facilitating a bunch of conversations with other people besides just us. So we'll have a guest of all sorts of different backgrounds and different areas to really share where they're coming from and their personal stories about how they decided to approach and contribute to this whole wide world of behavioral sciences and neuroscience and psychology and market research. So since it is such an interdisciplinary field, we are super excited to hear about all the different ways that people try to investigate the way we basically live in the world we live in. We're hoping that these conversations will dive into more principles and scientific thinking applied to our practical real life questions and research questions and market research and products that we all deal with. But honestly, we don't really know where these conversations will go, as you've seen in the past, but we really like to have a lot of fun of it and see what we can learn and see what we can share.
Exactly. So just stick around by subscribing to our social media pages to get notified when we release new vidcasts of Mindset. And feel free to look back at our previous seasons if you're interested in refreshing your memory on some cool topics that we've already covered. Also, HCD has plenty of content from our blogs, Twitters, white papers, and webinar series to keep everybody busy until our next curious conversation. As always, thanks for tuning in.
Yep, and please like us so we know you're out there, comment so you can engage with us, and please subscribe so you can find all the new episodes that are coming up. Thank you.